I knew it. If you watched my preview video, I didn't even know who was going to win this match. But out of the blue, I said, you know what? I think Bray Wyatt's going to win this match. And this match was what I expected it was chaotic. It was destructive. This was probably one of the most brutal TLC matches in wrestling history. This could compete with WrestleMania 17 of how destructive this match was. Up until the ending, but we'll get into that. This match was chaotic. This match was destructive. Not one, not two, but 3 table spots happened. Dean Ambrose killed himself. He thought it was CCW, except he was getting a big fat paycheck. He was in the main event of TLC, his first ever main event of a pay-per-view, I believe. In a singles match, obviously. I believe this is Bray... No, wait. He was Hell in a Cell main event. Yeah, in Hell in a Cell main event. Is this Bray Wyatt's first main event? No, he main evented with John Cena. But these guys killed each other. These guys used chairs. These guys used kendo sticks. These guys used tables. Ambrose didn't do 1 table spot through the table. 2, 3. He did 3. He did 1 with the ladder through the table. Then the second one with a bigger ladder through the table. Then a third one with the biggest ladder he could find through the Spanish announce table. It was insane. And the only demise of Dean Ambrose was himself. Him being more chaotic, him being more destructive, and him falling back on it. Ambrose kicked out of everything Bray Wyatt had except one, except the second Sister Abigail. The first one he kicked out of, but when he got a TV under the ring, which no one knew there was a TV under the ring, even though people really knew there was a TV under the ring, but there really wasn't, but there was. Ambrose tried to use that TV, which was connected to a cable, so when he pulled it, it was stuck, and he pulled it again, and it sparked everywhere, and he self-blinded himself. Dean Ambrose was his own demise in this match. He cost himself, not Bray Wyatt. Technically, Bray Wyatt won clean in this match. Dean Ambrose cost himself the match. He went a little bit too chaotic. He went too far. He didn't play it smart, and that cost him the match because the sparks went in Dean Ambrose's eyes, temporarily blinding him, and then at a literally so slick, so sleek, Bray Wyatt hits a Sister Abigail, 1, 2, 3, boom, clean in the middle of that ring. Bray Wyatt beats Dean Ambrose. So Dean Ambrose doesn't lose just Hell in a Cell. Then he loses at Survivor Series. Now he loses at TLC. Where does Dean Ambrose go from here? Does he go face Bray Wyatt one more time? Because technically, he lost the match on himself. Not Bray Wyatt's fault. That's his own fault he lost the match. Where does Bray Wyatt go from here? Does he go in and he says, oh, we're going to feud up until the Royal Rumble, and then we're going to kill each other in the Royal Rumble match, and we'll be in the Final 4. Bray Wyatt, Seth Rollins, Dean Ambrose, and Roman Reigns? God only knows what's happening tomorrow night on Raw, but this match was the definitive finish, pretty much to the feud. It's Dean Ambrose's fault he lost. There's no one to blame but Dean Ambrose. But this was an epic match, one well worth watching, and destructive. And it was fun. But Bray Wyatt for the win.